Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is repo rate. Now this word repo basically comes from a full form which means the repurchase obligation. Why is it the repurchase obligation? We shall be discussing a little later. Now coming to the definition aspect, the first definition is that it is the rate at which the central bank of a country, which in case of India is RBI, lends money to a commercial bank for short periods in the event of any shortfall of funds. Now what is important here is that this is a loan that the bank is taking for a short time period, which is approximately 14 days. Also, you should know that it is the rate at which the bank is borrowing money from the RBI by selling their surplus government securities to the RBI. So if you've understood, the banks are taking a loan from the RBI for some short time period, which is approximately 14 days. But in return for that, the RBI is demanding some collateral from the bank. And this is the government securities which the RBI is taking from these banks. Another thing that you should know with regards to these government securities are that these government securities are the surplus securities, and these are not the securities which are a part of the mandatory SLR requirements of the bank. So this is one important aspect. Now coming to the objectives of the repo rate, the objective is that it first and foremost signals the interest rates in a bank itself. And another thing is that it is a monetary instrument. So it is going to control inflation. Now how is it going to control inflation? Let's see in the impact aspect. First and foremost is that if the repo rate is increased, now, if repo rate is increased, the loan for the bank is going to become costly, as a result of which the bank will avoid taking a loan from the RBI. So this will decrease the money supply in the bank, which consequently will decrease the money supply in the economy and will lead to decrease in inflation. Similarly, if the repo rate is decreased by the RBI, what happens is that the loans become cheaper for banks. Banks will take more loans and they will further give out more loans. So money supply in the economy will increase and inflation is going to increase. So this is how repo rate is being used as a monetary instrument, and that is the importance of repo rate. So that's all for today. I thank you all for watching.